When I wake up in the morning, what do I see? The whole world passing me by. Then I start to thinking of what I might be if I had a reason to try. But nothing seems right when everything's wrong and you've lost all you can lose. When my friends have all gone and there's no place to turn, I turn to the nightlife and booze. My friends try to tell me it's a matter of time before I ruin myself. They don't understand when it comes to the booze. I can't seem to get quite enough. They say it's my life and I know wrong from right, and I have the freedom to choose. So when it comes time to pick, I know I can't quit, so I'll take the nightlife and booze. Nightlife and booze and sad country songs has been my whole life ever since she's been gone. Till love comes again, I'm paying my dues, forgetting her memory in the nightlife and booze. It's been so long since I had a woman to hold me and whisper my name. I meet someone new, then I find she's untrue. It seems they're all just the same. I've searched for love but can't seem to find it, and now I'm all out of clues. So I'm back again where I've already been, back to the nightlife and booze. Nightlife and booze and sad country songs has been my whole life ever since she's been gone. Till love comes again, I'm paying my dues, forgetting her memory in the nightlife and booze. I'll forget her memory in the nightlife and booze.